Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best blind cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for maintaining a pristine home, especially when dealing with the intricate and often dust-collecting slats of wood blinds, transforming a tedious chore into a surprisingly quick and satisfying task that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your living space but also contributes to a healthier environment by effectively removing allergens and grime. Number 5. E-Cloth Alaskan Blue Window Cleaning Kit. These cloths feature microscopic fibers designed to grab grime, dust, and more from surfaces like windows and mirrors. The specialized glass and polishing cloth ensures a perfect, streak-free finish every time. Say goodbye to disposable sprays and endless paper towels. This kit is built to last, providing a streak-free clean wash after wash. Simply toss them in the laundry for reuse. Generously sized and lint-free, they swiftly handle even large windows with just a quick rinse. You can also use them to wipe cars, mirrors, glasses, lenses, and TV screens. Experience a truly clean result with just water. Our innovative two-step process quickly removes 99% of grease, grime, and microscopic particles for spotless results. First, dampen the waffle weave cloth with water and wipe your surface. Then, follow up with a smooth weave, dry polishing cloth to remove any streaks, leaving a perfect shine. What we like? This cloth offers a truly spotless, streak-free finish using just water. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and effective way to clean windows and mirrors without chemicals, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for achieving crystal-clear surfaces with minimal effort. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 4. DEEHYO Microfiber Duster Kit. Introducing the ultimate 9-piece cleaning kit, designed to tackle every corner of your home. This versatile set includes everything you need to effortlessly reach and clean even the most challenging spots, ensuring a dust-free environment from floor to ceiling. Say goodbye to dangerous ladders and chairs. Its extendable stainless steel pole adjusts from 30 to 100 inches, allowing you to easily clean high ceilings, lamps, and other elevated areas without any hassle. Equipped with innovative split fiber technology, its microfiber head acts like a magnet, trapping dust with ease. This fluffy, bendable design cleans without dead angles, and a silicone cap protects your walls from scratches. This duster is not only highly effective but also reusable. Simply detach the head, wash it with warm water, and hang it to dry for its next use. It works perfectly both wet and dry, and stores compactly when not in use. DEEHYO is committed to providing high-quality, practical, and fashionable cleaning tools. They stand by their products with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, offering professional support for all your questions. What we like? This comprehensive 9-piece kit provides a versatile cleaning solution for your entire home. With its impressive 100-inch extendable pole, it effortlessly reaches high ceilings and tricky spots. If you need a complete set for tackling all hard-to-reach areas, this kit has you covered. What people say. Number 3. 9PCS Extendable Microfiber Dusters Kit. Introducing a comprehensive 9-piece microfiber cleaning kit. It includes everything you need to tackle dust and dirt from floors to ceilings in your home or office. This innovative duster features an extendable pole, reaching up to 100 inches. Now you can effortlessly clean high ceilings, fans, and appliances without the need for a ladder. Its head is designed to be easily bendable, allowing it to conform to various angles and shapes. This ensures thorough dust removal in even the trickiest spots. Many of its components are reusable and machine washable, making cleanup simple and eco-friendly. Just remember to hand wash the feather and blind duster for best care. With a variety of brush heads like the gap duster and window blind duster, this kit ensures you have the right tool. It makes every cleaning task more efficient and effective. These dusters are perfect for a wide range of applications, from blinds and furniture to ceiling fans and car interiors. It adapts to all your cleaning needs. What we like? This 9-piece cleaning kit stands out with its highly adjustable and bendable duster head, allowing you to customize its shape for any corner. If you value flexibility and need a tool that adapts to various cleaning angles and surfaces, this is a great option. It's designed for efficient dust removal in diverse scenarios. What people say. Number 2. Scrub Daddy Damp Duster Towel. Upgrade your cleaning routine instantly with this versatile tool. It quickly tackles spills and dust, leaving surfaces spotless without a scratch. Forget your old rags and sponges. This innovative towel picks up pet hair, dirt, and grime more effectively, making your cleaning tasks easier. It thoroughly cleans all kinds of surfaces, leaving no dirt, residue, or smudges behind. Use it as a car duster, for blinds, and so much more around your home. Built to last, this eco-friendly tool is fully reusable, offering great value. It's designed to become a long-lasting staple in your household cleaning arsenal. From the trusted Scrub Daddy brand, this high-performance cleaner combines exclusive materials with a fun, functional design. It makes cleaning less of a chore and more enjoyable. What we like? This unique damp duster towel excels at picking up pet hair, dirt, and grime without leaving residue. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to clean spills and dust multiple surfaces, this durable and reusable towel is ideal. It offers a superior clean compared to traditional rags. What people say. The tool's design allows for efficient cleaning of multiple blind slats at once. It features washable microfiber sleeves that are easy to remove and replace. Number 1. Microfiber Feather Duster with Extension Pole. Introducing a comprehensive 11-piece cleaning kit designed to tackle every corner of your home. It includes an extendable long pole, a mini pole, and a variety of specialized duster heads. This set ensures you can reach and clean even the most challenging spots, keeping your living space dust-free from floor to ceiling. This innovative cleaning tool features a stainless steel extendable pole that reaches an impressive 100 inches. It's engineered to effortlessly clean all kinds of awkward surfaces and weird angles. Whether it's a high ceiling fan or a low piece of furniture, it makes every spot accessible. Experience the power of its microfiber feather duster head, crafted with innovative split fiber technology. Millions of fluffy microfibers act like magnets, trapping dust effectively. This head is also bendable to any degree and features a silicone cap to protect your walls. Its duster heads are not only 360-degree bendable for thorough cleaning without dead angles but also incredibly easy to maintain. After use, simply detach the head, wash it with warm water, and hang it to dry. This ensures it's fluffy and ready for its next use, making cleaning efficient and labor-saving. We are confident in the quality and effectiveness of this product, offering a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely happy, contact us for a 24-month refund or free exchange. Your purchase is totally risk-free, and we promise a satisfactory solution within 12 hours. What we like? This extensive 12-piece kit offers maximum versatility with its 360-degree bendable microfiber head and robust stainless steel pole. If you need a highly comprehensive and durable cleaning system for every nook and cranny, this set provides exceptional reach and flexibility. It ensures a thorough clean for both high and low areas. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.